Mbappe will not want to lose out here, not against this opponent. Oh, facing up to his adversary, this is a formidable matchup. Look at the spot.
Hi guys, in this video I will tell you the best tips for mastering the joystick. If you following these tips, then you can also improve your dribbling. Let's go to the tip number 1. Basic settings. For the joystick, there is no matter about the control type. You can adjust the size, movement input range and placement of the joystick from the play settings. And also you can choose the fixed joystick or moving joystick as well. Let's go to tip number 2. Receiving the ball. This is the actual movement, and let's check the best way to control the ball while receiving the pass. When I was receiving the ball, you can see the joystick is facing opposite to the defender. If you are using this tip you can control the ball very easily. Don't use the dash dribble while the ball receiving time. Just watch carefully. After that pass, my joystick is totally opposite to the defender. You can watch some similar situations. Let's go to the tip number 3. Fake turn and run. You can see the opponent is controlling with Lampard. And here also I'm using the ball receiving tip. Just look at my joystick and it's facing totally opposite to the player. After I receive the ball, I'm just waiting him to press, then only I can turn and run to the free space. You can see I just bypassed his player, using just with the help of joystick. Let's go to the main and most important tip. It's called practice. Watching and listening to my video is not all the thing in your improvement. You have to practice more to the things I explained. Practice makes you perfect. There is no technique available to learn without your practice. Practice against top-ranking division player opponents. Don't care about win or loses. Practice whatever you can.
Now it's Pedri. Now it's Mbappe. It's Son Heung-min! Was as close to certain as can be.
Yeah, it's simply tragic defending when a renowned finisher is ignored. It's how he built his reputation.
Indecent hit! Neither of these two want to come off second best. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep.
Everyone else's. Superb.
Well, it's an inspired substitution. Mbappe! Santos take a 2-goal lead and things should be comfortable. Sonkrasin. Oh, now here's an interesting matchup.